but they fail anyway. I wanna shout it out loud. They say silence is golden. I wanna shout it out loud. They are walking away.
Well, let's now quickly bring you the breaking news which is coming in right now, and that is the fact that an announcement has officially come in after weeks, even months of will he, won't he. Sachin Tendulkar, possibly the greatest batsman India has ever seen, has made his formal announcement that he will retire from the one-day format of the game. He has, in his statement, which has been put forward, said that he feels blessed to have fulfilled the dream of being a part of a World Cup winning Indian team, and it has now become the time for him to retire. Now, of course, Sachin Tendulkar's retirement has been a matter of massive debate for a while now. Sachin Tendulkar clearly wanting to go out on a last hurrah, on a really big note as a part of a really big career. There were a lot of questions really surrounding on whether he would be playing the one-day international series against Pakistan, and now it seems that that is not going to happen, with this very clear statement coming in on the day when the squad against Pakistan was going to be announced. Sachin Tendulkar saying that he will not be playing one-day games anymore. Let's quickly go over to Rika Roy, who will be taking us through this in more detail.
Thank you very much, Kajari. Yes, of course, now we know that one of the greatest batsmen of our generation, Sachin Tendulkar, has indeed announced his retirement from one-day cricket. Let me quickly take you through some of the stats of Sachin Tendulkar. He has played 463 one-day matches, and remember, he was the first one to have scored 200 runs in one-day cricket. He had that double century against South Africa a couple of years back. Since then, Sachin Tendulkar has been picking and choosing one-days. The last time we saw him featuring in a one-day tournament was in the Asia Cup in Bangladesh, where he scored his 100th 100. Of course, the Master Blaster from Mumbai has scored over 18,000 runs in one-day cricket, and with a phenomenal strike rate of 886. We've seen many memorable knocks, many memorable innings from Sachin Tendulkar over last many years, over last 23 years.